Already making plans.
Yes, we have many plans for all of you, our fans. So, abangan nyo na lang po yun.
So it's gonna be fun.
Yes.
So, walang iwanan.
Yes. And we love you very much. Thank you for never leaving us kahit kami laging magkasabay gumagawa ng work.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Sharon Cuneta at Gabby Concepcion, naghahanda para sa Dear Heart concert na gaganapin ngayong araw, sa Honolulu, Hawaii. Ang pagkakaroon ng concert sa nasabing lugar, ay isang makasaysayang pagkakataon hindi lamang para sa kanilang career, kundi pati na rin sa mga Pilipino sa Hawaii na matagal nang hinihintay ang pagkakataon na makita silang magkasama, sa isang live na performance. Inanyayahan ang kanilang mga tagahanga, hindi lamang sa Hawaii kundi pati na rin sa mga kababayan sa buong mundo, upang manood at makisaya sa kanilang concert.
Hello guys.
Hello, we are rehearsing.
We are here in Hawaii.
Honolulu, the Hilton Hawaiian Village, and we are getting ready for our show tonight for all of you.
Hilton honors, and it's an honor to be here. So, kung kayo ay hindi pa nakakapunta rito, for the first time magpunta kayo rito because andito kami tonight.
It's a beautiful hotel, a beautiful venue. I'll show you.
Kailan ba natin pakalabas na yun?
Yeah.
Alright.
There, that's the venue. And after this, we have one last show in Vancouver. Have you rested? Because every day we've been flying 3 days in a row. When I woke up kanina, oh my God, then I said, ay, walang flight.
Then, nung bumaba ako nga, galing sa plane, nagland kami dito, binaba ko maleta ko, naglakad na ako sa beach.
Kako kagabi. Ikaw earlier, no?
Miss ko na ang beach. So, sa beach ako kanina. Alright.
Ay, yan. Ako kagabi, naglakad kami nila Nancy. So, after this, we'll have at least 2 days to rest.
Yes, and then we do a show again.
In Vancouver. Then we go home. And finally, we will fly home together.
At magkita-kita na lang ho tayo sa ating mga ginawang o kayo, mga ginawa nilang mga clippings, nalagay nila sa YouTube, sa Instagram, para naman maalala niyo kami even when the shows are over.
Yes, and we go back to our real lives.
Yes.
We'll have fond memories of you and this tour.
But we're already making plans.
Yes, we have many plans for all of you, our fans. So, abangan nyo na lang po yun.
So it's gonna be fun.
Yes.
So, walang iwanan.
Yes. And we love you very much. Thank you for never leaving us kahit kami laging magkasabay gumagawa ng work.
Sundan po ninyo yung kanyang Instagram because meron siyang mga linagay doon. Meron din ako mga linagay sa aking Instagram. And that's very memorable.
And thank you to all our fans who just always edit those videos and they're so cute. We see them. We just don't have the time to really go through each and every one and thank you all. But thank you so much. We love you.
So much. We love you. Take care because
we care. See you Hawaii later.
Bye-bye.
We love you. Bye.